Hello students, today we are going to start practice set 11. First, let me explain you Euclid's rule. The rule says that any composite number can be written as the product of prime number. That means the composite number which give you the product prime number. Okay, now you will see in this vertical arrangement, horizontal arrangement, and tree arrangement. In this vertical arrangement, the number which I have taken, that is 24. In this, see, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 threes are 6, and 3 ones are 3, which we have written here. That is a vertical arrangement. Now horizontal means like this. 24, suppose I have taken 24 number, so you will take 2 12s are 24, which you know, and 2 as it is I will write, and I will split this 12. Now 12 goes in 2 6 are 12. So again I have split it, and see, again the 6 comes, same thing, 2 into 2, and this 6, 2 3s are 6. So this is we get. So see, here you can see vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement, answer is same. Now we will similarly see tree diagram. In this 20 they have given you, and what you have to do, 2 tens are 20, which you know. 2 as it is you will write, we will split 10, 2 fives are 10, like this we have to write. So this is the tree form, and this is a vertical arrangement, this is horizontal arrangement. Now we shift to problem set 11. Question number 1. Factorize the following numbers into primes. That means you have to factorize this number. Now 32 they have given you, and you have to factorize that. Now see, 2 ones are 2. That means this is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 carry here, that becomes 12. So 2 6 are 12. That means 16s. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. Like this you have to write, and see, 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So similarly we will solve 59. Now second, 57. So we have taken 3 here. So 3 ones are 3. How much? 2. So 27 it becomes 3 nines are 27 come. Now 19 has come. So 19 is 19 ones are 19. So we have written 19 ones are 19. So 57 is equal to 3 into 19. Okay. Now we will do third one, 23. 23 ones are 23 itself. Now 23 is equal to 23, which we have written here. Similarly we will do this fourth one, 150. 150 with 2 we will try. See, 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry, this become 10. 2 fives are 10. Now 75. Now we will try with 3. 3 twos are 6. 1 carry, that it becomes 15. So 3 fives are 15. Now 25, you know, it's come in 5 table. So 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5, which we have written here. See, 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, now fifth one we will see 216, means 216, that we have tried with 2. So this 2 tens are 20, right students? 2 tens are 20 and 1 carrier, that means 16. 2 8s are 16. Now here 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Now 54. Again I will try with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. It becomes 14. So 2 7s are 14, we have written here. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now how you will write? 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now again sixth one we will see 208. Here also we will try with 2. So 2 tens are 20, 2 fours are 8. So we get 104. So in this 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 and 1 carry here becomes 12. So 2 six are 12. Now 26. 2 ones are 2 and this 2 threes are 6. Now 13 is go only in 13 table. 13 ones are 13. Now 208 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. They have written here. Now we will see 7th, 765. Same thing we will do. We will try with 3. So see students, you have to try new numbers, new tables. See, I have tried with 3. So 3 twos are 6. Now 1 carry here. So it becomes 16. Now you know 16 doesn't go in 3 table. So 3 fives are 15. So 1 carry here again and this 5 here and you can see here 3 fives are 15. Here 2 5 5. Now again I will try with 3. So 3 how much are 28, 3 eights are 24. So that is 25. So 1 carry here and it becomes 15. So 3 fives are 15. Now we will see next with 5. 5 ones are 5. Now this is 8. That means 3 carry here. This becomes 35. So you know 5 sevens are 35. Now 17 ones are 17 because 17 doesn't go in any table. So 765 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now next we will see 8th one 342. In this we will try with 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry it becomes 14. So 2 sevens are 14. This 2 ones are 2. Again I will see with 3. This 3 fives are 15 I have taken. That means 2. 21. Now 3 sevens are 21. So answer is 57. Again we will see with 3. 3 ones are 3. Here 2 27. That means you know in 3's table 27 comes. 3 nines are 27. So 19. 19 doesn't go with any table. So itself 19 table. 19 ones are 19. So 342 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Now ninth one 377. In this 13 we will try with 13. You have to try with all tables and see whether it is going or not. So we will try with 13. 13 twos are. Now see here in rough work we will see 13 twos are. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. So that means 26. 26 comes. So what you will do? You will see the another one. 13 nines are. 9 threes are 9 threes are 27 and 9 ones are 9, 10, 11. So that means 111. See here 111. Now that 117, sorry. So now in this 13 nines are 117. So we have written here 9 and this becomes 29. So 29 ones are 29. At last we have written. So 377 is equal to 13 into 29. Similarly we will see 10th one 559. So in this we will see with 13. 13 fours are, they have taken 13 fours are 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 1 carry 5. That means 52. So this is 55. So this 13 fours are 52. That means 3 carry here. So this becomes 39. So you know 39 comes 13 threes are 39. So we have written 43 over here. Now 43 doesn't go in any table, so 43 ones are 43. So therefore 559 is equal to 13 into 43. So here we finish our problem set. Thank you, students.